It's Kendall and
Lily, and today we're doing the Q&A test, which we're going to ask 4 questions each, so let's get started. So I'm going to go first, yeah. So Kendall's inside right now, she should know what the question's going to be. The question is favorite color, so I got to call her first. Kendall, come out! The question's favorite color.
my favorite color is teal and light purple, and yours is?
Blue and teal. Question 2, what's your favorite subject? So, Kendall, come out!
Okay.
Favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math, art, and gym.
Mine just math, straight up. Favorite sport is the next question. Kendall!
I'm coming.
Favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball, softball, and soccer.
Mine's soccer and math. 4th question is, favorite hairstyle. Kendall!
Coming.
Favorite hairstyle?
My favorite hairstyle would probably be, well, I'm getting my hair color green and blue, so it's probably going to be short and long, short to long.
Mine would be a heart braid, stuff like that. So now it is Kendall's turn, and she doesn't know this, but every time she asks a question, we make a fart sound in it. So yeah.
Okay, so she doesn't always know this, and I'm gonna ask her what's her favorite. Where would she want to go when she gets older?
Lily, coming.
So Lily, where do you want to go when you get older?
Paris.
Exactly the same. It's so beautiful and romantic.
Exactly.
So I'm gonna ask her what her favorite kind of dog is. Caden, stop that.
Lily, coming.
So Lily, what's your favorite type of dog?
Either Shih Tzu or Labradoodle. Labradoodle.
Yeah. Mine would be Golden Retriever, Pug.
Pugs, yes, I love pugs.
Yeah. Dalmatian and a
Dalmatians
Doberman.
are actually mean, but yeah, Dobermans.
Doberman.
Yeah.
So?
Yeah. Question 2.
By the way, it's actually question 3. Caden, stop it! I'm sorry, that's my brother. So I'm gonna ask her what's her favorite thing to do in free time. Lily!
Coming.
So Lily, what's your favorite thing to do in free time?
Actually, it's read books for some reason and watch Super Tailored. So.
Yeah. Mine would be watch YouTube videos, play on my tablet, Musically. I have a lot of stuff.
4.
So I'm going to ask her what her favorite fidget spinner is. Caden, seriously, I'm going to tell. Lily.
Coming.
So, Lily, what's your favorite fidget spinner?
It would be Light Up or my Paris one. So, now we're going to show you some trampoline clips. Okay, so this is called a front handspring. It's pretty complicated. Ah! I would land that thing!
Not really called a thing. Not really called anything. But I'm just going to show you.
Hurry, Kendall.
So, we'll see you guys.